Now, the final heat, there are four heats. The final one, we have Mikhail, I hope I'm saying this right, Mikhail Moody. We have Suri Henry, we have Ashanti Moore, we have Elaine Thompson-Herah, we have Tina Clayton, we have Kemba Nelson, we have Nisha Berger, and we have Shakura Wallace. Wow, 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 wow. This is another good race. Now, in years gone by, I would say, oh, this is a clear win for Elaine, but we're not really seeing that kind of strength from her right now. Even though I think that she kind of play a card still, but let's see. No time like the present. We are gonna see the race them tomorrow anyway, so we're gonna know what everybody has to offer. There's no more hiding, there's no more guessing, there's no more playing around. Everything is gonna be on show tomorrow. So in this race, I'm gonna go with Elaine Tina. I'm gonna go with clear separation between Elaine and Tina. That's what I'm seeing. And then no, Ashanti and Kemba will pick up the rear. All right. So in that race. So trackies, again, I believe that this is a race as well. This is an event as well. I don't think the girls have to run as hard like in the previous two heats, in my opinion, to separate themselves from the rest of the field. However, this is still going to be a tight race, in my opinion, especially with the top two, because we're hearing crazy things that's coming from Tina. We're not really sure what to expect from Elaine, so she could be very well challenging Elaine from the get go. But this is going to be very interesting and eye opening as well, because we'll be able to see exactly how Tina holds up against some of the best athletes in the world right from the get go. This is going to be a very 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 hot race, trackies. All right, so you heard my thoughts, trackies. These races are going to be epic. Sound off in the comment section and let me know your thoughts as it relates to who you think makes it into this next round. Like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in a next one.